dictatorship until 1945. Fun fact 4. Tourists throw €3,000 a day in Trevi Fountain. This amount makes 10 lakhs euros every year, and which is all donated to charity. Fact number 5. Famous cartoon character Pinocchio. The story was published in 1880 in Italy. Fun fact number 6. Italy has most number of World Heritage Sites. 55 World Heritage Sites, more than anywhere else on the earth. Hope you and me will get the opportunity to visit Italy someday soon. Ciao ciao! Hi again. As I promised, we'll make a lip-smacking Italian pasta salad.